It's like a lot of effort.
Makes you feel like you're in the airport, doesn't it?
It does. Except a lot prettier.
Yeah.
This is how airports should look. Even the escalator's got like painted like it's muraled. Marc Jacobs. Michael Kors. Armani. Hermes. Big place. How are you? What do you mean?
I don't know. Maybe because I've watched walkthrough.
Photo Luke's done it a few times as well, so I think that's why.
Yeah.
How are you? Tote bags. It's cool. It's like old school looking.
Yeah.
That's rad. Cool. I don't know if we get a dead end here or not. How are you? It's in there. It's like a... Yeah.
Something.
Something. That's massive, isn't it? Hi. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah. The chocolates are too pretty. What to eat?
Yeah, you want to eat
The Maui Brewing?
Yeah.
I spotted that. Oh.
it. Very
Keep
nice.
gripping on the floor. Yeah, good colour. Teeny though.
Yeah.
Ah, it's from that Crazy Shirts mod.
That makes sense.
I have to go in there at some point and have a look because they got a lot of local type t-shirts and all that sort of thing. So
We walked past one this morning.
yeah, there's a lot. Like they're kind of like the ABC stores, I think. That looks so rad. That's all painted.
Yeah.
Watches. That all looks really expensive.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of actually expected it to, like in that bit, to be like the alcohol to be more. Hi, how are you? I think you'd want to be after something specific. Do you know what I mean? Like, and it really depends how much difference it is.
Yeah.
Like a couple of things I've seen, I felt like I've seen out of here for the same price anyway. So it's kind of like, are you getting a good deal? But the only way I can put it in Australia. So that was the inside of the DFS. Like, it's beautiful, but there's not much in there that I'd probably go buying. So it's that for that one. Red top's cool. So we're nearing the end of our walk. We just had to cut a bit out because someone went shopping. So we've done our Victoria's Secret run, and yeah, we'll head out for lunch shortly, and that's it.